Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Honor Magic 6 Lite. So here is my Honor Magic 6 Lite, and to take a screenshot we have three ways. The first one, just press together volume down and the power button like this, and here is my screenshot, and from here you can share it if you want it. The second way, you can use three fingers to swipe down like this, and here just go to settings and enable take screenshot and apply to all screens. Okay, and now just exit and use again three fingers, and as you can see I have again a screenshot. Now, the third way to take a screenshot, just go to the top bar and swipe, and here we have the icon screenshot. If you tap on this icon, you will take a screenshot, but also here we have another options. If you push it on the writing here, you can select partial screenshot. And here, if you select this rectangle, you can select the desired area and just save, and we have a partial screenshot. And also, if you want to take a long screenshot on a web page, just swipe again. Okay, and select scroll shot. And now, as you can see, we have here a long screenshot, and when you want to end, just touch the screen. And here is my long screenshot, and just tap save, and that's all. Now all the screenshots, you can find it here in the photos area, and you can use it wherever you want. You can share it, or you can delete it after you don't need it anymore. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.